What's up, Bargain family? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going into Five Below and checking out some new items. When it comes to Five Below, some of my favorite pieces to buy in there you're gonna find inside of the room decor section, and it's their tables. They get lots of accent tables in with different designs. I would say every single time they get some new items in, there's a new release with a different table. This time around, I found the Hyacinth table. Now, I decided to pair this with one of their natural rope wall arts. You will find this in a 2-pack. The bigger piece you can place right on top of this, and I think it pairs really nicely. You can use the accent table to place a few decor pieces on top of, or you can use it to place items you actually need beside your bed, like your glasses, makeup, whatever it is. Before filming this video, I already opened up a lot of these products because I wanted to test them before I filmed so I can give you guys my honest opinion. One of those items being the robotic vacuum cleaner. So this is supposed to be like a vacuum cleaner like the Roomba, the Shark. I don't own either of those, but what I hear is that they map out your house so they kind of know the house and make sure they're getting every nook and cranny to clean up dirt. This doesn't do that. This is kind of like watching somebody trying to use a remote control car and doesn't know what they're doing, and it just keeps knocking into things. It does vacuum to an extent, like it does, but then once you pick it up, all of the stuff to vacuum pretty much just comes out. It doesn't get everything, but it takes so long to eventually find where the dirt and the crumbs are, because half of the time, if you have a smaller home or it's more crowded, it just keeps knocking into the same areas over and over again. Then by the time it actually gets to the crumbs, it only gets part of the crumbs, and then you're waiting for it to get to the rest of it. So at that point, you might as well sweep. Out of everything that's inside of my house, I have never gotten more comments than the things that are inside of my bathroom from Five Below. Five Below carries this line of bathroom items that light up. And I have purchased a toothbrush holder, the hand pump, and the faucet piece before. These items are super cool. What you do is you just put some batteries inside of them, except for the faucet one, and they like light up. With the faucet piece, all you have to do is take off your faucet piece that's already on the faucet and then screw this one on. And then with the water pressure, it makes it light up. And people think that my bathroom is so fancy, but literally it's just Five Below items. So they do carry other pieces that I really wanted to try out. I got the toilet paper holder and then the towel bar. These are really cool. They work just the same. They light up. They do come with some adhesive that you put on the back of them, just like a command strip type of thing, and you place that directly on your wall and it lights up. Your bathroom ends up looking like, it looks like the inside of your bathroom is a club. It looks really high tech, like you did something fancy, but really all you did was go to Five Below. But there is a warning to this video. There is a warning. The adhesive strip that this comes with works really, really well. A little too well. I wanted to move my toilet paper holder a little bit more to the side after I filmed, so I asked my husband to remove it because I couldn't get it off the wall. So he went and he's like, oh, Bethany, I go in the bathroom, tile is everywhere. So pretty much the adhesive is super, super strong. So if you're gonna be removing the piece that you put on the wall and you use the adhesive strip, I recommend using like a blow dryer to heat up the adhesive strip to help melt the glue a little bit and remove it more easily. And with the towel holder, it came off easily versus the toilet paper holder, which took off the tile. So I don't even recommend using the adhesive strip on a painted surface because without a doubt in my mind, it's going to peel off the paint when you're removing it. You can screw these into the wall. There are areas for you to screw directly into the wall if you want to go that route. Five Below does a really good job with the storage and organizational pieces. They have inexpensive pieces that work really well within your home. I found this 6-cube multi-purpose storage rack for $5. This is a bit annoying to put together because there's so many small pieces and you do have to do a little bit of pushing to get like pieces to fit. However, I do think at the price, it's well worth it. If you're looking for something that's inexpensive to organize things like shoes or just random little pieces, the little gray material that you see, it's a thinner type of fabric, so don't put anything heavy on there. Don't put a bowling ball on there and be like, oh, I wonder why this fell apart. I purchased these Hollywood vanity lights at Five Below and I like them a lot. They take 4 AA batteries each, so be aware you're gonna need a few batteries if you buy some of these. A lot of Five Below items, they just take up a lot of batteries. There's suction cups on the back and you just push them on top of your mirror that way. You can always use command strips if you want to, especially if you don't want to put them directly on your mirror. So I put these on the bigger mirror that's in my bedroom, and I like these so much. They give a really nice glow to your face, especially if you're trying to do your makeup or if your bedroom tends to be a little bit darker, which mine's is at nighttime. We have one light that doesn't do the best job of lighting up the room, so these are really, really nice, especially if I'm trying to get ready at nighttime. I like these a lot. I recommend just getting one if you're thinking about it, testing it out, and see if you want to get more, because this has a cooler light and some people prefer warmer light versus cooler light. If you're into makeup and you've ever been on TikTok or Instagram Reels, you've probably seen a little washing machine that you can use to clean your makeup sponges or brushes, and Five Below has one. It is this makeup brush washing machine. This is how it looks. It is so freaking cute. I love little gimmicky things like this. I'm a sucker for it just because I like cute things that kind of remind me of Barbies and stuff when I was growing up. So basically with this, what you do is you put 1/3 of a cup of water and a makeup brush cleaner inside of this. It takes, I think it's 2 AAA batteries. Then you open this up, put your piece inside of there, and then press this button, and then it turns on. There's a little like spinner at the bottom, and that's what spins around the piece to clean it up. Now, this it's just that. It's very gimmicky. You probably can clean your makeup brushes and sponges much faster using your hand. So I tried to clean my beauty blender, which is a makeup sponge, first. What ended up happening is it kept absorbing the water, so then it would get weighted and it couldn't spin. So pretty much it just sat inside of this doing nothing. When I would lift it up, it would be filled with water. I squeeze it out, place it back in, and then it would spin a little bit until it would absorb all of the water again. So with a name brand makeup sponge, the beauty blender, it doesn't really work. I can see it working with more of a like beauty blender from Dollar Tree, because those don't absorb water the same way. So I can see that moving probably better, but like I said, it just didn't work. Now I had a makeup brush that had a bunch of black eyeshadow on it. I put that inside of here, and that one did work. I had to give it about 2 minutes for it to really do a good job of getting off most of the makeup, but it did work. I knew it was probably going to be more gimmicky than anything, but if you are looking for a laundry machine for your Barbie that kind of works, this is great for that. I like getting pieces that light up at Five Below for my son's bedroom. I found this LED cloud message board. It's a cloud, so it works really well in his room, which is a Toy Story theme. I have the little clouds that are in Andy's room on my son's walls. So I went ahead and I wrote out, "You got a friend in me" on the cloud. I just really like the way it looks, matches his decor, and I like to put pieces that light up in my son's room. I don't put them all on at once often, but I'll put on one here and there. I just like to do it because he loves the way that it looks. Obviously, he's a kid. He just like is so enamored by it. So I do have pieces throughout his room from Five Below that I purchased in the past, like this cloud that has rainbows going through it. I have a few of those inside of his room. And then recently I bought these Beam LED light bars. My son also loves rainbows, so these ones, depending how you put them against the wall, you'll either see 4 colors or the entire rainbow, and he really, really likes these. He's always going colors, because he wants me to turn them on. I just put them in a spot where he can't keep staring down at the light. Like I said, I have quite a few pieces that light up in his bedroom, and when they all turn on, it looks so magical in his room. One of my favorite pieces is the light up strips that's all around his room. Five Below carries these, but if you're looking for longer pieces, I recommend going to Amazon because you get more bang for your buck there, and that's where I got my son's. Five Below has a lot of over-the-door organizers that are very comparable in price to Walmart. I really like the shoe organizer. If you have a small closet, not a lot of space for shoes, I highly recommend this. This is such a game changer, especially in a smaller home. I found this 4-pocket over-door organizer that I want to use in my bedroom. I have tank tops and I don't have too many of them, but they take up space inside of my drawers, and I rather move them and just stick them in something like this. I don't wear them too often. Have them in something like this instead of my drawers, or I can use it to put things like scarves and gloves. So I purchased this for the back of my bedroom door. There's a few home decor pieces I ended up picking up. I got this picture frame. So it's 4 separate picture frames, but they're all connected. You can actually make this for a similar price using Dollar Tree picture frames if you want to. I will say that these are not as flimsy as the Dollar Tree picture frames, but I do love Dollar Tree picture frame options. So I got this one. This was still $5. It's probably $5.55 now. And then I put pictures from Matt and my wedding inside of here. I got this big old tray for $5. This big old massive thing for $5. I've seen something similar in the Bullseye Playground of Target, and that one is about like half the size for the same price. I think this is an amazing price. You know, you can stage it, use it to decorate things. You can actually use it to put things of use inside of this. I don't know, do you boo? I just really like this. I ended up getting this letter board mainly because of Cooper. He saw it and he was like, letters, letters. I was like, you know what, let's get that. Cooper, he's a very smart child and he can read some words. So I like to just put some words and then see if, you know, he will read them. So I got in this and I've been messing around with him a lot with these. Granted, he likes to read when he wants to read, but for the most part, he will start taking the letters and he'll be like, T, put T back, or we were doing purple and actually got it on camera. He took the E and he was like, that's not purple. What color is this?
Green.
Good job. What color does that say?
Purple.
Good job.
That's not purple.
Yeah, that's not purple because you took the E. There you go. Now it says purple.
That's not purple.
I only let him use this when I'm around because I don't trust him not to eat these little pieces. And what I like about this is it comes with 4 pieces for each letter. So there's 4 A's and 4 B's versus like kid letter things. It only comes with 1 A, B, C. So it's like, it's hard to write out words with just 1 letter. If you're looking for blank framed DIY pieces, I really do recommend Five Below because you get some really big, nice pieces for only $5. I found this chalkboard piece. It comes with a chalk and an eraser. If you want to use your Cricut to put something on here, you most definitely can. But this right here, it's just like a framed DIY piece that you can put whatever you want on the front and then use as decor or as a gift. I really do recommend Five Below because they've got pieces that are even bigger than this for $5. The final item I have to share with you guys is a graphic t-shirt. I love Five Below for graphic t-shirts, and they get graphic shirts from the 90s, which I really like, and even the 80s. It's not just more current, nostalgic things, if that makes sense. I found this Peanuts Halloween shirt that I was just so excited about. I love Charlie Brown and the Peanuts. It just reminds me of my father growing up. So this one, it's just them dressed up as characters for Halloween. I got one last year where it's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown. So I don't know, I just love Five Below for graphic shirts. You guys know me, I love my graphic t-shirts and I love nostalgic things. So Five Below is one of the places I love to go for those pieces. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If there's anything I want you to take away from this video, it's be careful with that toilet holder. The adhesive, be very, very careful. You might be down 6 tiles in your bathroom and you need to go get some liquid nails to fix it. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Take care, bye.